If you don't want your website tracking tools to track your own traffic, you really shouldn't click the decline button in the consent banner. And this is because the decline button only turns off tracking of tools that collect private information about visitors. Other tools that do not track this information will continue working. So to make sure that all the tracking tools are disabled, you need to use a different method. Go to the general settings of WP Full Picture plugin, and in the first section, tracking exclusions, copy the link that you find there. And then go to all the browsers that you use to visit your website. Then visit the link that you just copied. You'll see that the consent banner has disappeared, but there will be also a new icon with an crossed out eye in the bottom left corner of the page. This indicates that your website no longer tracks you, and it works even if you are logged out and revisit your website after several days or even months. It works as long as your website remembers the cookies. Plus, you can send this link to all the people who work on the website with you, so that they are not tracked as well. This way, your traffic data, your traffic reports will be much better quality and will not include people who shouldn't be there. Thank you.